In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to password protect your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're sending sensitive contracts, confidential reports, or simply keeping personal files safe, by the end of this video, you'll know how to lock down your documents so only the right people can access them. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and launch Adobe Acrobat. Once it's open, find and open the PDF you want to secure. If you've got lots of files in your library, just navigate to the one you need. That's the starting point for adding password protection. Remember, you'll need the full version of Acrobat, not just the free reader. Now, look over to the right-hand side of your Acrobat window. You'll see a vertical menu, and one of those options is Protect. Click on that. If you don't see it there, no worries. You can always go to the All Tools section at the top and find Protect a PDF in the list. Acrobat keeps these tools handy no matter how you prefer to reach them. Once you're in the Protect tool, you'll see an option labeled Protect Using Password. Give that a click, and Acrobat now knows you want to add some extra security to your document. This step is all about putting control in your hands. You decide who can open or change the file. At this point, a dialog box pops up. This is where things start to get interesting. You'll be prompted to set password permissions. You can require a password for viewing the PDF, editing it, or both. For most people, setting a password to view is the main concern. If your document might go through editing or annotation, and you want to restrict that, set a password there too. Think of it like putting two different locks on a door, one to enter, one to rearrange the furniture inside. Now, choose and enter your password. Type it once, then again to confirm. This step deserves a moment's pause. Pick something strong. Mix up letters, numbers, and symbols to make it tricky for anyone who shouldn't have access. Remember, Adobe Acrobat won't be able to help if you lose this password. There's no password recovery feature, so make sure to save it somewhere safe, whether it's a password manager or a notebook you trust. Seriously, forgetting your password means there's no backdoor. If you want to go the extra mile, Acrobat gives you the option to apply advanced security. Click on Advanced Options if you see it. From here, you can choose to encrypt your PDF with a password, which is perfect for most cases, or a certificate, which is more specialized and suited for organizational setups or digital signatures. For regular day-to-day use, password protection is the simplest and most direct. Another detail to consider is encryption compatibility. In those advanced settings, there's a drop-down menu for choosing which version of Acrobat your password protection will work with. If you know your recipient has a newer version, great. Choose the latest. But if someone might be opening this on an older computer, select a more compatible version. It's a small touch that ensures everyone you intend can actually open your PDF. When you're ready, click OK to finalize your password protection. Acrobat will prompt you to save the document. And this is crucial. The settings won't go into effect until you actually save. Pick a location and file name, hit save, and that's it. Your PDF is now secured. Test it out by reopening the file. You should be asked for the password right away. And there you have it. You've just taken a big step towards securing your digital documents. If this video helped you protect your PDF, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you ran into any tricky parts or have questions. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.